Welcome back. Today we are making viral Vietnamese pan-fried rice paper pizza, a crispy street snack inspired by Bon Trang that turns simple rice paper into a crackly, savory, foldable treat. It serves 2 and takes about 20 minutes, so it is perfect when you want maximum crunch with very little prep. Let's walk through the crispy little lineup. For round rice paper sheets are the base, and they turn glassy, bubbly, and crisp when they hit the hot pan. For large eggs, bind the toppings to the rice paper and create that soft, savory layer under the crunch. 1/2 cup finely sliced scallions brings fresh onion flavor and the classic green flecks you see in Vietnamese street snacks. 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt seasons the egg layer without overpowering the pork toppings. 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper adds a gentle warmth right inside the egg mixture. 1/2 cup chopped Vietnamese pork sausage gives the pizzas a tender, savory bite and makes them feel like a real street food snack. 1/4 cup pork floss brings sweet, salty, airy texture that clings beautifully to the egg. 1/4 cup fried shallots doubles down on the crunch and adds that deep, toasty aroma. 2 tablespoons mayonnaise make a creamy drizzle that balances the chili sauce and the crisp rice paper. 2 tablespoons Vietnamese chili sauce add color, tang, and a little heat, so every bite pops. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil help the rice paper fry evenly and get those crisp, blistered edges. We begin by finely slicing the scallions and chopping the Vietnamese pork sausage into small pieces, so the toppings cook quickly and fold neatly inside the rice paper. Now that the toppings are ready, crack 4 large eggs into a bowl, then add 1/2 cup finely sliced scallions, 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt, and 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper. Beat the mixture for 30 seconds, until the yolks, whites, scallions, salt, and pepper are evenly combined. Next, stir 2 tablespoons mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons Vietnamese chili sauce until you have a quick creamy red drizzle for finishing each pizza. Place the non-stick skillet over medium heat and let it warm for 2 minutes, because a properly heated pan is what makes the rice paper fry instead of soften. Add 1/2 tablespoon vegetable oil to the skillet and swirl it into a thin, even coat across the surface. Lay 1 rice paper sheet flat in the skillet and press the center gently with the spatula for 10 seconds, just to help it grip the hot pan. Pour 1/4 of the egg mixture onto the rice paper and quickly spread it almost to the edges before the egg sets. While the egg is still wet, scatter 2 tablespoons chopped Vietnamese pork sausage across the top so the pieces settle into the egg layer. Add 1 tablespoon pork floss and 1 tablespoon fried shallots over the same pizza for sweet savory flavor and extra crunch. Pan fry for 2 to 3 minutes, rotating the rice paper as needed, until the bottom is crisp and the edges are golden and lightly blistered. Drizzle 1 tablespoon of the mayonnaise chili sauce over the hot pizza, keeping it light so the rice paper stays crisp. Fold the rice paper pizza in half with the spatula, press gently, and fry for 30 seconds more to seal the fold and sharpen the crunch. Transfer the folded pizza to a plate, then repeat the same frying process with the remaining 3 rice paper sheets, using 1/2 tablespoon vegetable oil for each one, 1/4 of the egg mixture, 2 tablespoons sausage, 1 tablespoon pork floss, 1 tablespoon fried shallots, and 1 tablespoon sauce per pizza. As each pizza finishes, keep it uncovered so steam can escape instead of softening the fried rice paper. Finish the last folded pizza in the skillet, then turn off the heat. The cooking is done when all 4 pieces are crisp, golden, and easy to pick up. And there it is, viral Vietnamese pan-fried rice paper pizza with shattering edges, savory scallion egg, pork sausage, pork floss, and that creamy chili drizzle. Serve it right away while it is hot and crisp, just like a quick street snack at home. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more fast, crunchy recipes.